Tired of Otter.ai automatically pulling your Outlook meetings? Learn the exact steps to disconnect it in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to unlink your Outlook calendar from Otter.ai. We'll go through the settings menu, find the integration, and confirm removal. To begin, navigate to the Otter.ai homepage. Click Integrations from the left side panel. Locate My Integrations. Then, click on Microsoft Outlook Calendar in that section. Click the Disconnect button. Then, confirm by clicking Yes, Remove. Refresh the page. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.